Welcome back to Ink Spots. On February 16th, we highlighted Neptune Digital Assets in the Morning Ink Report. It was the second best performing report stock of 2024, rallying 187% into year-end. Insiders kept buying into early fall as shown by the green icons. NDA also bought back shares. Green rectangles are buys and red represents share cancellations. NDA business includes BTC mining, crypto staking, and earning yield via decentralized finance. For its fiscal year ended August 31st, net income was $17.1 million. As of December 20th, NDA's crypto holdings included 354 BTC, 32,100 Solana, and 200,000 Atom. We'll now have to see if Trump delivers crypto-friendly policies to help keep the rally going. This video is for educational purposes and is not investment advice. Get access to the Morning Ink Report via the Ink Research Premium service at inkresearch.com or the Canadian Insider Ultra Club at canadianinsider.com. Thanks for watching Ink Spots.